Have you ever wanted your very own custom ring like I wear? If the answer is yes, gentlemen, now is the time. Custom rings. These are made by the same dude who's made mine for years. These rings are one of a kind. No two are identical because they are made specifically and custom to you and your specifications. They're made to order, which means you're gonna tell us what you want in terms of the letter, whether or not it's uppercase or lowercase, and then you're gonna tell us your size. The easiest way we have found for you to actually size whichever finger you want is to go into a jewelry store in your area. Whichever finger you want to wear that ring on, you just ask them to size that finger. You remember it, go home, place your order. Because these rings are custom and made to order and your specific specifications, they aren't like gonna ship out like tomorrow, right? They take a little bit of time. There is a process for Andres to actually make you your custom ring. And so you gotta be aware that they are gonna take 3 to 4 weeks typically. Guys, now is the time. Andres can't make like 27,000 of these. He's one dude making exquisite, beautiful rings. Guys, hit the link, get started today, and get your very own custom accessory in like 4 weeks. Guys, these are amazing, and you are gonna love them.